Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a clock using Python. So for this clock we are going to have a graphical user interface that we are going to achieve by using a package known as tkinter. So this program is just to demonstrate the capabilities of tkinter and side by side creating a clock application. So here is our application. First of all, we are importing tkinter for our graphical user interface, then tkinter scroll next for again a graphical user interface, and we're also importing a module known as time. So time would help us to fetch the current time which we are going to display in a clock. So in here we are displaying configuring different functions for different aspects, different actions performed by the clock. As you can see, it's quite a big program and it may seem intimidating at first, but in this video I am just going to give you a brief overview about this program. But if you need an in-depth explanation about this program, you can comment down below and I would try to make an in-depth explanation about this program. So in simple terms, what this program is doing is using up various functions of time package and integrating and meaning using it with tkinter and displaying it using the windows, the widgets in it. I am going to explain you more about these windows and widgets when I execute this app. So now that I have given you the brief overview of what this program does, now I am going to execute this and show you how a tkinter graphical user interface looks and how our clock actually works. So as you can see, a tkinter window has opened up. So now I was talking about widgets. So as you can see, each and every entity of this window is a widget. For example, this current time is a widget, this is a widget, this is a widget. So all of these are widgets and each and every widget is configured to do something. Whenever I click on current time, the program below it would be executed and then the results would be shown. Whenever I click on quit, then the program would be executed which was written below it and the results would be shown. So I am going to click on current time, and as we can see like a lap in which we can see the what was the current time at that moment. We can do it many times. And here we have another widget known as quit. When we click on this entire program would quit. So I'm going to click on this. So this was just a clock application that we created, but this clock application can also be created in a web interface known as Streamlit. So this was just a basic how to do in tkinter, and I'm planning to upload more videos on tkinter. So if you want to watch them and want to get notified whenever I upload them, please consider subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.